Nothing so far. No snow. Yet. It's cold and ugly out though. Very gray. Maxine. She has to be part of the whole situation here. You probably can't see it, but now it is slightly snowing. Just lightly. There's a few little flakes on the mailbox. Let's see. In case of emergency, I went and got my little buddy heater in case the electric goes out, because they're supposed to have ice. So I have that. My brother had it. And so I found it. Yay. Okay. No snow. It stopped again. A little bit and then just stopped. Maxine's gotta go to the bathroom. Okay. See you in a little bit. So we're getting a little bit of snow now. You can see it coming down lightly. Light amount of snow. Ooh. Okay.
Two red dots on this map are the two rest areas that we stayed at.
A little more snow.
San Francisco is right there in the middle.
Doing well.
So we didn't have to travel far to do our sightseeing. But
Starting to
the bottom, which was the first one that we went to,
pile up a little bit.
Now, called the Crystal Springs Safety Roadside Area.
Nice.
If you actually hit that on the map.
So we're at about 10:30. What do you say, about 1.5 inches? So maybe 2 inches on the table. I think about 2. 10:32 inches. Okay. Okay, it's now 12 o'clock. And we have probably about maybe 2.5, 3 inches. Maybe 3 inches. Yeah. Okay, so they're pretty right about how much we were gonna get, I guess. Started a little later. At least the heavy stuff did. Okay. It's 12:45 now. I think we're at least 4 inches. Maybe a little more. So if I wake up in the middle of the night, I'll look again and film again. 5 o'clock in the morning. Looks like we did pretty good. About a foot. Oops. Still coming down.